Good morning to all of you. Myself Ashmit Kaur. Today we will learn about sediment and decantation. Firstly, we will take plastic cup and put some soil in it. Now add some water in the plastic cup and stir the content of the plastic cup well. Leave the cup undisturbed for 10-20 minutes. Carefully decant the water in another plastic cup. In this activity, we will learn that with the help of decantation process, we separate the soil particles from the soil solution. Thank you. Have a nice day.